to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out some products that have been sent to me from a company called Now In Seoul. I think it's Seoul. They're a Korean beauty company, and it looks like I've got a packed lunch, doesn't it? But they've sent me some products in here. So these products are all from the Korean brand Bom, B-O-M, so that brand there. And I have a light on tone up cream. So I'll try and put it at an angle, that one there. And then I also have this. So this is a Pearl Party eye glitter, a brilliant sparkling glitter eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Fireworks, which looks like that. So it's kind of like a goldy shade. That one there. Very pretty. I'd say for a glitter, you know, liner, eyeshadow, whatever you want to do with it, it has got quite a lot of depth to it actually. They're normally quite, I find them quite watery. They really need to be built up. But I think this one's going to be all right, you know. It's more of a metallic, I'd say, than a glitter. So that'd be quite interesting. And then I also have 4 lipsticks. This is what they look like, the packaging. Very nice. It reminds me of NARS. You see, it's like this. It is very, very NARS, I'd say. And then, oh, it's got a magnetic top. And then they're like this. So kind of like looks like a satin sort of lipstick. Nice. I prefer those because I find matte dries my lips out too much. So I've got one in this colour here. So this one is My Light Coral. So it's like that. That's actually a really nice shade, especially for the summer. And then we have My Deep Red. Oh, that's nice. Like that. And we've got My Rose. That is beautiful. That's a really nice nude. Really nice. And then lastly, My Red. Yeah, that's nice. That's like quite a bright fiery red, but it's got a slight pink undertone to it, I'd say. So before I carry on, any products that I use in today's video, I will link in the description box below if you do want to check them out yourself. So first up, we have the Light On Tone Up Cream. Now, I probably should have tested this before I put my base makeup on, but I completely forgot, if I'm honest. So what I think I'm going to do with this is use this in my next makeup review. Yeah, so obviously if you want to see this, then I'll put this in the next one. I will just test it on my hand and stuff just to show you anyway. Now, this product contains 70% of Provence rose water, vitamin B12 natural pink colour, carefree, brightening with reliable ingredients, brightening anti-wrinkle dual effect, approved by KFDA. So it says that with this, it naturally brightens and evens the skin tone at the end of skincare regime. It says just to take a liberal amount of the content, evenly apply over the face and neck, or you can use it for daily brightening to tone up makeup, obviously as a primer, or you can use it to create a dewy makeup look. So blend with liquid foundation or BB cream in a 1:3 ratio for a brightly dewy makeup base. That is probably what I would do. So what I'm going to do is just test this. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of BB cream and just test it on the back of my hand, just so that you can see, because otherwise, you know, it's pointless me showing you. So I've just taken the Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint. So this is a tinted moisturiser. It's like a BB cream type thing. I'm just going to pop a little squirt, just like that, on the back of my hand. And then we'll pop a little bit of this next to it. So, like it said, like a 1:3 ratio. I'd say that's about that, roughly. And then I'm going to mix it. Then what I'll do is just on my arm here, I'll just pop it there. And I'll just take a foundation brush and blend that in. Yeah, it does give that kind of dewy sheen. I can see that is actually really, really nice. Yeah, I do actually quite like that, if I'm honest. And I will definitely use that in my next makeup review, whatever that may be. So just keep an eye out for that, and I'll make sure to include it in that. Right, okay, so next up we're going to try out this glitter eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to use it as a liner. I think I'm going to try and do something with it, with just something very simple like a wing. I think I'm just going to go over my eyelid first with a bronzer. So this is just the Revolution Neon Heat sort of dual palette. I'm just going to go in with this bronzer because it's quite a nice deep colour. I've just literally messily put that on just with a fluffy brush. So right, I'm just going to create a wing. This is actually a Korean Beauty eyeliner as well. I use this in my Stylevana testing video. So this is the McQueen New York. This is a waterproof eyeliner. I'm just going to create a little wing with this, or try. I'm not the best. So that's that done. So then I'm going to use this. I'm going to try my hardest to go around where I've put that wing and kind of create a glittery outline. I've never done this before, so fingers crossed that this goes to plan. Right, so I actually think that's gone quite well. I'm quite pleased with myself. I don't know if they're perfectly even, they're probably not, but yeah, I actually quite like that. I did take it off from where I put it underneath because I preferred it just on the top, but yeah, we've kind of gone for that. So yeah, I think that's quite cute. Really, really easy to use. It was so easy to use. The brush is actually really, really fine, so it's quite easy to control. As I said, there is quite a lot of depth to it, so you don't have to keep building it up all the time. It comes out quite nice and metallic. Right, so I'm just going to go and pop some mascara, possibly some lashes on, and then we'll try out the lippy. So that's that done. Not sure if I like these lashes, to be honest. I like them, but I don't know what's happened to this one. It's gone a bit weird, but we'll just go with it. We're going to try these lipsticks. So the first one I'm going to try is My Deep Red. So that was that one there. Okay, so there's that one on. Really nice, really creamy and really easy to use. Because they've got that really sharp point on the end there, you kind of can, I mean, that's not going to last forever, but you can line them a little bit to start off with anyway. And red, that isn't perfect, nowhere near. But red is quite hard to do. So that is the deep red. Then we'll go with My Light Coral. So that was that one. So there's that shade on. A little bit harder to work with that one. It's not quite as opaque as the red was, so it's a little bit patchy. But I suppose if you put a lip liner underneath that and went over your lips a little bit with the liner, that would probably be all right. So there is, what was that one? My Light Coral. And then we've got My Rose. So that was that one. That is absolutely stunning. I really love that colour. That's probably my favourite one. Yeah, and again, really nice, really opaque, and it goes on really smoothly. Yeah. So that was My Rose. And then lastly, we've got My Red, which was that one. That is stunning. I love that. That is a perfect red. Really nice. Yeah. So that's My Red. So here is the finished look, and I've kept the red on because I just really, really like it, and it makes my teeth look really white as well, which is a bonus. So yeah, I think this is really nice. I love the eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow liner, which I obviously used as a liner. Really like that, really easy to use. Nice, and so it's got a lot of bulk to it, so you don't have to keep going over it, because sometimes it can crack, I find, when you do that. So that's really, really good. and the lipsticks really nice. The only one I was a little bit unsure of was the coral colour, so my light coral, just because it didn't quite have, well, it just wasn't as opaque as the others, to be honest. So yeah, but the two reds and the nude, stunning. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!